dito sa implementing our retirement plan. So ito lang 'yan. So the first thing that gawa tayo dapat ng personal finance systems natin. Yung dapat second nature na yung mga gagawin natin para hindi tayo uh, nahihirapang mag-decide, mami-minimize tayo ng decision making in terms of stress in decision making, no? We increase efficiency and reduce temptation. So kung kayo nasa financial startup stage pa, which is yung sa scoring natin, 'di ba, merong financial startup, secure at saka sustainable. So 5-10-85 budgeting rule yung gagawin mo. 5% for insurance, 10% for savings, 85% for expenses. Yan yung budgeting mo. Pero kung ikaw ay financially secure na, dito applied yung 5-15-20-60. So 5 for insurance, 15 for savings, 20 for investments, and then 60 maximum for expenses. Pag financially sustainable na tayo, it's 5-35, no? 60. So 5% for insurance, 35 for investment, and then 60 for expenses. Kasi ang assumption nito, okay ka na sa emergency fund mo, puno na yung savings mo. So diretso ka na sa investment. So ito yung mga quick ways on how to estimate your budgets quickly, no? Then you can also set up your bank accounts for automated banking. So you can enroll your bill payments for credit card, utilities, and insurance para hindi mo na iniisip. Hindi na ka na maglalap sa credit card na ay may naiwan na balanse, nag-interest tuloy, mawawala yon. Kung naka-enroll siya sa bills payments na pag dumating yung statement, babayaran agad. Then auto transfer from your payroll bank account to your emergency bank savings account para mabilis. Ganun din, no, from bank account to your investment account. Yun. Other systems, you can ask your employer, so Pag-ibig MP2, bring budget for shopping or going out as cash, no? Para hindi ka na nag-overspend. Always pay your credit card balances in full. And yun, itong technique lang na to, kapag may major purchase ka na gustong bilhin, what's a major, for me, what's a major purchase? If it's 50,000 pesos and above, major purchase yan. So hindi dapat impulse buying. At the minimum, dapat may 7 days yan na bago ko bibilhin. So you can set the amount. No? Kung sa inyo, 5,000 pesos yan. O kung 5,000 pesos na nakita ko 5,000 pesos, hindi ko yan basta-basta bibilhin. 7 days na pag-iisipan ko muna siya. Okay? And then, unexpected and irregular income. Ano yung gagawin natin na rule dyan? So, ito yung, ano ba yung mga unexpected income? Christmas bonus. Oh, di ba? Unexpected naman yan. Irregular income, 13th month pay. Kasi hindi mo monthly nakukuha. So, ano yung rule natin to budget that? Maximum 50% i-enjoy mo, no? At minimum 50% i-save or invest mo. So, para balanse yung luxuries and obligations natin. Okay? I-communicate natin ang ating financial plan for buy-in. So, i-engage natin yung mga family members natin, no, when we do our plan, at i-highlight natin yung benefit na to sa kanila. Paano din sila magbe-benefit dito? Hindi lang yung para sa inyo. Okay?